Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I bought you a 10k crypto account. So let's go ahead and first create the account. So basically, if you don't have account, you go to register and then you enter your email. Maybe let's say you have a referral code which I have already put in the video description. You can enter it down here. So and then let's say you have just completed doing it. So the next thing, when you click next, you you get this code to verify your email. So you copy it and you have to paste it in the prompt that you have got, of course. And after registering, you will be brought here. So anyway, you're gonna get this free 10k account. You're gonna click on dashboard and click on pro. After clicking pro, scroll down. So as you can see, this is a 10k free account that we have. So it is 0 USDT. It's a promo that has a few days. So if you are watching this video, go ahead and grab it before it is too late. So then next thing, we click on accept and pay. So as you can see, we are paying 0 USDT, and the challenge have the profit target 2 phases. As you can see, profit target is 10%, maximum drawdown is 4%. Daily drawdown, the maximum drawdown is 6%, and the minimum trading days is 5 days. Yeah, that's pretty much it. You can go through their rules and everything. So let's click confirm, and you have to confirm your purchase through email. So first of all, you click send the code, and you have to verify if you're not a robot. Yes, so yeah, we have to verify. Okay, once done, go to your email and copy the code and paste it. So as you can see, the registration is successful. We haven't paid any money, and let's go ahead and trade. So I'm gonna show you guys how you can place a trade with this account, because most of the people usually use MT5, and so I'm gonna just open the position just to show you guys. So you can also adjust this to the downside. So this is BTC USD, and yeah, so let's first go to trading view and then analyze the chart real quick. So here you can say, so I usually use 75% for my position. Yeah, so this is Bitcoin chart on 3 minute time frame. Let's check on 5 minutes and see. Okay. So then we have an uptrend, but basically, as you can see, we have we are seeing that gold is gonna sell in in a few minutes, and that's the level. So we set our position and come and place the position. So yeah, as you can see, I just sold, I just shortened the BTC, and yeah, as you can see, this is our position opened. And yeah, that's easy actually. You can do it by yourself. Maybe the things that gets hard is to set like stop loss and TP. So I'm gonna show you that as well. So as you can see, that's where you set your take profit and stop loss. So we got take profit up and we got stop loss when you scroll down. So let me go and check our stop loss and TP. Okay. So you enter your stop loss. This is our stop loss, not our take profit. Let me copy it and paste it on stop loss. And yeah, let's check our take profit as well. So this is the level that we have our take profit here at 6, 9. Let's enter it from here. Okay. 6, 9, 6 to 8 point. Yes, so basically you have to set your take profit levels and stop loss. I think it is 0.6, and let's go ahead and confirm. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how you can set your stop loss and take profit. So if you found this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe to the link in the description to join our group.